Hey, welcome third graders to Math Time with Mr. A. Actually, this is more like math and art with Mr. A. Today for your activity, this is going to be part one. You'll need a piece of white paper, a ruler, and a pencil. So, in math, we've been talking about parallel lines. So, parallel lines never touch. They stay the same distance apart from each other all the way across. So we're going to practice today drawing pairs of parallel lines. So these lines also are going to extend from one side of the paper to the other side of the paper. So no matter what, the lines need to extend all the way across. You don't need an actual ruler. You can use any kind of a straight edge you have around the house. A side of a book or a firm piece of paper, something that you don't want to get pencil on, of course. So the way you start is you just take two edges and you draw a line straight across. Now notice when I'm drawing my line, I'm careful to hold the ruler down completely so that way it doesn't move or wiggle while I'm drawing. Now to draw a parallel line, I have to make sure that that line is equal distance on both sides. So then I can draw, there what I've done is I've drawn a pair of parallel lines. They never touch, they're equal distance apart. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to practice drawing those, and it doesn't matter where you draw them as long as they go from one side of the page to the other. The idea now, once you've drawn two lines, is that here where they meet, we have intersecting pairs of parallel lines. So the points where they meet, they intersect. And notice how it makes a little section here. That's kind of what we're doing, is we're sectioning off your paper to create some artwork that's going to go in those little sections. So when you're doing it, you want to be careful not to make your sections too small or too big, because you want to include a little bit of art in each one of those sections. So today's work is just practicing drawing these pairs of parallel lines. So it doesn't matter if you make a mistake today, because this is just a rough draft. So say I do one here and I'm like, oh no, I think I might have made that hole too small, or maybe I draw a line here and I'm trying to draw a parallel line. It's like, oh no, it's not parallel, it's too small here and it's larger up here. The distance isn't equal. That's okay, because today is just a rough draft. It's just a chance for you to practice drawing pairs of parallel lines. Tomorrow, we'll talk about the designs that are going to go inside of these pairs of parallel lines and have you practice and choose a few of those. So, all right, I'll see you back here tomorrow.